Hi, Matt Capell, owner of Capell Flooring and Interiors. Hey, one service that we do here in the Treasure Valley that a lot of people might not be aware of is we do custom rug binding. So, for example, if you ever see the red carpet at the Village that they bring out, like when Matt Damon was here, different things like that, my company made that. And basically what we do is, so whenever you're buying like hard surface or anything like that, sometimes it's nice to get an area rug, or with the leftover carpet that you have, we can bind the edges, cut them to any size. Or a lot of times people just come in, we'll pick out any type of carpet that you want, and then we'll bind the edges for you and we'll turn it into a rug. And we can make it any size. We can seam it, shrink it, whatever. So like here's some examples of rugs that we just recently did for customers, where you bind the edges, and we have a machine that does that. And you can have different rugs like that. And then, for example, this is a rug we have by our front desk here that we have the edges bound so we can show people what we're capable of doing. But this is just a great way they work really good for front doors, entryways. We can make really big ones if your family room's hardwood or things like that, great room. But this is just kind of a nice way to do it. It's not very expensive and they turn out really nice and makes for a nice finished product. Doesn't fray. We can also get a rubber backing for you. So if you're worried, this is kind of like sandpaper, and this will keep it from scratching your hardwood and things like that. So we can also add that as part of it too. So if you're interested in that or know somebody that like an area rug done, we do them all the time and we look forward to helping you. Thanks so much.